Hey guys, my name is Kurt Wells, and I was asked to do a tutorial video of how to use the extension ReadWrite for Google Chrome. It's an extension that allows students, or anyone for that matter, to have any words that are on the website read to them. So when given an assessment, if you have your assessments on Google Docs, like for example, for English 8, we have the interim assessment from January, and so I'll just show you an example. If students were to click on this icon on their Google Chromebook, they click on that and this toolbar comes up. What I would suggest is giving the students a paper copy, because it's not like they can edit this in real time. You'd only want them to be able to view this document. If they click on, say, question number 1, you hit the play button,
in chapter
and
28,
it'll read
page
whatever's on the
To Kill a
screen.
Mockingbird.
If you pause it, it just pauses in that place. Hit pause again,
describes the attack
and it'll
by
pick up
Bobby.
where it left off. If you stop, then you can pick up anywhere on the test. So let's say I want to skip 2 and go on right on to 3. I can hit the play button, and it'll read right from there.
To Kill a Mocking.
One thing I do want to mention is that if it's not a text writing, if it's like an image like this is, for example, it won't read it. So for example, if I were to start it here, it'll read this,
from chapter 17,
but then as soon as it gets to the picture, it's going to skip right over it.
In To Kill a Mockingbird that describe the living conditions of the owls. What can be inferred by the word?
So you just want to make sure that if it's a test, it's an actual document of text and not pictures. Like this is just a screen capture of a PDF that we ended up uploading onto Google Docs. It doesn't work with just Google Docs. It works with any website that has text on it. So even if they wanted to read a website. So one function that it serves is this thing. This is pretty cool. It's called hover speech. So if I click on that, I can go over any, let's say if I just want to read this, Stealing Country.
Stealing Country to play at Old Town Hall in Waddington. After a month.
And then it'll just continue. And then if I click that again, it'll stop. That's a pretty cool feature. One website that we like using in ELA 8 is this Wiser.me website. It's kind of like Google Quizzes, but I think it's prettier. The students seem to enjoy it. And same deal, you can use that hover over text. If I click on that, and if I just want the second question read to me, I hover over it.
Reason that the narrator killed the old man?
Reads to me. If I want it to stop, I just click on it again.
B.
And it'll stop. It's a pretty nice feature to use. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My name is Kurt Wells. My email address is kwells@nncsk12.org. I would have the students kind of fart around with it at first before you give any kind of summative assessment. It's pretty self-explanatory. The play button, as soon as you hit it,
dashboard.
It'll play whatever's on the screen. If you hit stop, it'll stop it. Pause will pause it. I'm not sure about these other features. I think they're premium things. So like learn about other premium features. I haven't signed up for them. I don't know if that's something that we have to pay for, but I think just in general, the kids just use the hover speech. It's good, for students that are absent that need to take the test, or for those that have testing accommodations for test read. So yeah, that's it.